Hi friends. Here you are at my channel. Today we'll see how to download and install the Disney Sorcerer's Arena on PC so we can enjoy with mouse and keyboard even on a large screen. Are you feeling surprised how an Android OS game will run on a computer? Well, we'll show you. You are watching it on the screen, and you may discover how it is working. Thus, let's begin. A URL has been provided in the video description or perhaps in the first pinned comment. It's the link. I show it here in case you intend to view it a little bit larger. This URL will take you to the page of Disney Sorcerer's Arena in the BlueStacks app. BlueStacks is the software we are going to use to download and install the game as well as play it on the computer system. BlueStacks is a great software to download and install virtually any Android game on a large screen. We select the Download Disney Sorcerer's Arena for PC button, and then the downloading will start. It'll go in Downloads, look at. Open this downloaded file. In Windows 10, it will have asked us for permission, we enter yes and accept. To check out the installer, it's advised to minimize the internet browser like that. If we click on Customize the installation, we can pick the directory. The next phase is to select the place in which you want to install it. To carry on, go here on Install Now, and game installation will begin. The size of this file is 512 MB only. The download of the game depends on the net speed. It'll then set up the emulator on the PC. The installation process is completed. Do not forget that the PC will require some time to make configurations for BlueStacks and launch it, but the next time, it's going to start immediately. The next thing is significant. This is an option for Google Play. Sign in, you should click here. Log in to Google Play by providing your email and also password. You cannot still install this game without sign in because it is a Google Play game. We're also going to log in now. In this particular step, we'll sign in to the Google account. We now have logged in to the Google Play account. You are supposed to accept the terms, and for that, press on I agree. It informs us that if we want to make a backup of our device in the cloud, we select no, you do what you would like. We accept it, and will quickly go to Google Play. If you want to get back to the computer's desktop, you must click this small arrow. On the screen, the icons of BlueStacks and also BlueStacks multi-instance will be displayed. The BlueStacks icon is basically for starting the BlueStacks app. Now, to set up this game, we will click this icon. It's the time to install Disney Sorcerer's Arena on a laptop or computer so that we'll play this fantastic game on a large screen. Let us head to Google Play and additionally click Install. Now, you will see, my computer is downloading Disney Sorcerer's Arena. In case you have a speedy internet connection, then it will not take so long to download Disney Sorcerer's Arena. So I am going to skip and wait for the download to end. After installing the game, the icon of Disney Sorcerer's Arena has appeared on the computer's desktop, and hence we can directly start the game. Starting Disney Sorcerer's Arena on the computer is super simple. Just click this icon twice, and there you have it. The double-clicking icon of the game from computer's desktop is one way to start the game. And yet another method is to launch it employing BlueStacks. We'll click this BlueStacks icon to begin the game. This is the keyboard setting if you need to configure it. Anyhow, keyboard configurations already look perfect, therefore, we will close these settings. If you need to enjoy Disney Sorcerer's Arena in large screen mode, then we will undoubtedly suggest two simple solutions. This is actually to expand the emulator. You will have a full screen with a border. However, if you'd like to get a 100% large screen, then this option is not suitable. Press F11 to get 100% full screen, then click precisely the same key to exit. No activity in your desktop will disrupt you while enjoying this game in full screen mode. It is evident that playing a game in an emulator takes a lot of power, hence the performance depends on the power of your computer. We'll now quickly look over the way to change the language of the game. For this purpose, you are expected to click on Preferences. This drop-down menu will display several languages out of which you can pick almost any language. And that's translated. The game has been eventually installed. It is ready to play. I will keep sharing such useful videos for you. Thus, remember to subscribe to Usitility and give a thumb up to the video. Thank you for your time. We'll be back again with another exciting video.